Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. So, yesterday we have discussed about ascending order, descending order, writing before, just before number, just after number, and the between number, and writing ascending and descending number. Once again, I will explain that, and then we will go later. What is ascending? Or increasing order. The numbers from the smallest to the biggest, that is known as ascending order. Example: 8, 3, 2, 7, 4. So write these numbers in ascending order means you should compare the numbers from 1 to 9 and then identify the biggest and the smallest number. Ascending means, as I told you, first you should write the smallest number. Now 2 is the smallest. After 2, which is little big, 3, and then 4, 7, 8. This is known as ascending order. Then what is descending? Descending or decreasing order. Okay? Descending or decreasing in the sense the number from the biggest to smallest. Same example I will take: 8, 3, 2, 7 and 4. So biggest to smallest means descending. First you should write the very biggest number. So very biggest, and then 7, and then 4, 3, 2. So last will be the smallest number. So descending means very big to small, biggest to smallest number. This is known as descending order. Next, greater than, less than and equal to. Suppose 5 and 3. Greater than and less than symbols you should use. This is greater than, less than and equal to. So you should compare the numbers which has given 5 and 3 and you should identify the biggest number. Which is the biggest? 5. So which side is big? That side open should be. So here open, this is closed point. So you should write the symbol like this. 8, 3. 8 and 3. Which is the big number? 8 is the big number. So here should be open. Now the symbol will be like this. 3 and 3. Both are equal. So this is equal to sign. This is all about greater than, less than and equal. So solve these one. With the help of number line, fill greater than or less than in the boxes. So take one number line: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is number line. We should compare the numbers from the number line and we should put greater than, less than and equal to sign. First one is open page number 185, 9, 1, 3, 1, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 7. So as I said already, the numbers of from the right side on the number line are bigger than the numbers of the left side of the number line. So whatever numbers are there in right side, they are bigger than the left side number. Now see the 9 and 1. Where is 9? 9 is here and 1 is here. So 9 is bigger than the 1. So we should put greater than symbol. So which side big number? That side it should be open. Next 3 and 1. This is 3, here 1. So right, left. So right number is bigger than the left number. So open. Next 7 and 8. So 8 is here, 7 is here. Right number is bigger than the left number. So 8 is big. So this side it should be open. 3 and 1. 3, 1. 3 is bigger than the 1. Next 5 and 6. So 6 is big. 8 and 7, 8 is big. So you also write this in your textbook. Next go for now I know. Now I know. Whatever we learnt in this lesson, they have listed out. The number names 0 to 9 in correct order. Okay. Count and tell the number of objects given. Whatever the objects if we give, now you are able to count and write the number. Assign one and only one number to each object in the process of counting. Comparison of numbers from 0 to 9. Concept of 0. Let us practice. Encircle as many objects as the number given below. See, first question. There are eggs. First one they have done it. And down they have given 6 eggs. What we should do is we should encircle 6 eggs. Next there are pumpkin. There are 6 pumpkins. Look at your textbook. Sorry, these are not pumpkins. These are tomatoes. Tomatoes. So 4 tomatoes we should circle. So take one from the below row. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes. Next, fish. 1 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fish. One, two, three, four, five, 6. There are 7 fishes. What they told? 5 fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Encircle for 5 fishes. Next, there are 3 cats. We should circle for 2 cats. So circle for 2 cats. Okay. Circle for 2 cats. And then 7 leaves they have given, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leaves are there. Count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So encircle for 7 leaves. And then 1 joker's cap. They have given 3 joker's cap. You just circle for 1 joker's cap. And then put greater than, less than or equal to sign. Second one, put greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. 6, 8, 3, 5, 2, 1, 4, 7, 9, 2, 4, 4, 9, 3, 9, 9, 2, 8. So you are now very perfect to identify the biggest number and the smallest number. Just see the first problem, 6 and 8. Which is the biggest? 8 is the big. So this side it should be open. 3, 5. 5 is the biggest. 2 and 1. 2 is bigger than 1. 4 and 7. This side open. 9 and 2. This side should open. 4 and 4. Here also 4 chocolates. Here also 4 chocolates. Then we should put equal to sign. 9 and 3. 9 is bigger. 9 and 9 both are equal. 2 and 8. Okay. This is how to put the greater than, less than and equal to sign. Match the following with the number names. This side there are some objects and count them, and this side there is number names and match to that. Okay. You have to do this in your textbook. Third one, match the following with number names. This side 5, 4, FOUR, 3, 6, 7 and 9. Flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. Then trees. 9 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trees. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cups. Then kite. 1, 2, 3, 4 kites. One, 2, 3, 4 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you match with your book, in your book, and I will match on the board. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 fishes. THIRTW. 3. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. There are 7 flowers. Then how many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trees. Then cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 will be 5 cups. Then kites. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6 balls. Match the following with the number names. Fill in the blanks. A. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. Yes, everybody are human being have 2 eyes. So answer is 4th one. Fill in the blanks. A. In the blank you should write how many eyes do you have? 2. Then B. You can write 2 eyes. How many fingers do you have in one hand? In one hand, how many fingers do you have? 5 fingers. Next, C. How many toes do you have in all? There are 10 toes in all. Yes. Next activity, count and write. There are 4 butterflies. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you count. In this box you write 4. Next, turn the page. How many fishes? There are 2 fishes. So write in the box 2. Caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 caps. There are 7 caps. How many trees? 3. Okay. Project work. Count and subtract. Your mother bought a packet of biscuits for you. Count and write down how many pieces are there in the packet. You will be having biscuit packets in your house. Take one packet, open it, and then count how many pieces of biscuits are there in that packet. Then write in the blank. If you ate some pieces, then write down how many pieces you ate. Some pieces you eat it and write how many pieces you have eaten. Third one, how many pieces are left? After eating, how many are left in the packet? Count it and write it. This is your project. Every child should know the phone number of his or her parent. So this is also a project for you. If you are first standard, you should know at least your parents' phone numbers. Okay, your father's phone number and your mother's phone number. If they have both, you can by heart both. If your father is having phone, at least you by heart one your father's phone number. Got it? Okay. This is all about the lesson number 3. So tomorrow, now you are able to identify the numbers from 0 to 9. Number names you can write, and you can identify the bigger number and the smaller number from 0 to 9, and greater than, less than and equal to sign you are able to write. And next class we will study about addition and subtraction up to 9. Okay, do the work which we have done in the class, do it in your textbook. If you don't have textbook, come to school, get admission, and then you take the textbook. Okay, thank you.